What's up YouTube, welcome to another video, and today's video will be regarding the next Galaxy Z Flip. Still plenty of time before Samsung launches the Galaxy Z Flip successor, but that doesn't mean that the development hasn't started already. In fact, according to the design patent at World Intellectual Property Office, Samsung is looking into two potential designs, both of which including a triple rail camera setup present on the back side. So if you look at those patents very closely, you will notice that the Model A features a familiar design with a horizontal camera placement on the back side, and there is an addition to the camera sensor inside that particular patent. The scaled screen used for the notification look a bit smaller, whereas the Model B adopts a vertical camera stack, also coming with the same triple camera setup on the back side along with an LED flashlight. But this time around you will notice that in that image the patent shows a more room for the mini OLED screen, which grows in size as a result of the placement of a camera sensor in a vertical position, whereas the design of that particular device is pretty much similar to the old Galaxy Z Flip on the front if you look at, and we see an earpiece on the top and a punch hole camera cutout present in the center of the device. There is also the same hinges model is introduced in the Galaxy Z Flip, and in upcoming Galaxy Z Flip successor we might see a new and improved ultra thin glass on top of the screen. The patent itself doesn't reveal anything else, and it doesn't guarantee that the Samsung would use either of those designs. However, it doesn't hint the possibility of Samsung working on a design that adopts a triple cameras on the back, and it would make a sense given that the most flagship offer at least 3 focal length right now. Talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, another news is coming from Korea. Samsung unveiled the Galaxy Z Flip in February in 3 colors: mirror black, mirror gold, and mirror purple. Mirror black and purple variants are foldable phones, has been available for purchase in South Korea for a few weeks now. Now Samsung has announced that it will start selling the mirror gold variant of the Galaxy Z Flip in its home market soon. Pre-order for mirror gold variant for the Galaxy Z Flip will open on May 4 in South Korea, and the phone will go on sale for May 6. Also, we have another news regarding the Galaxy Bud Plus, which has been unveiled in February, will soon get a new color variant, which will debut as Aura Blue. This information came from a reliable leakster, Even Plus, who shared a bunch of images showing the Galaxy Bud Plus and Aura Blue shade. Also, the Galaxy A51 now available to Xfinity Mobile in US. Although the Galaxy A51 was unveiled in December last year, the phone was announced for the US market only last month. The mid-range smartphone first became available through AT&T and Samsung, Sprint, and Verizon, and now the Galaxy A51 can also be purchased through Xfinity Mobile. If you are thinking of buying the Galaxy A51 from Xfinity Mobile in US, you should know that it will currently available only in one color, which is Prism Crush Black, and priced around $399 for the 4 gigs and 128 gigs of storage variant. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I'm very much impressed about the Samsung next upcoming successor for the Galaxy Z Flip. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.